Ready to level up your friendship game with totally personalized phone vibes? Today, we're diving into Widgetable, the app that lets you connect and share custom widgets with your besties. So let's get started. First things first, download Widgetable from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once you're in, tap the Add Friend button. This usually looks like a plus icon or says Add Friend. Now, you'll see a unique Widgetable code. Share this code with your friend or have them share theirs with you. You can send it through text, email, or any messaging app. To connect, simply enter your friend's code in the space provided within the app. This will usually be right below the area where your code is displayed. Now, the fun begins. Widgetable has tons of widgets to choose from, including distance trackers, status and mood updates, and even a miss you option. Tap on a widget you like and personalize it. Change the text, colors, and even add pictures to make it totally you. To add the widget to your home screen, exit Widgetable, then long press on an empty area. Select the plus icon. Find Widgetable in the list of widgets, choose your desired widget size, and voila! Now you can share updates, track each other's locations, and even just send virtual hugs, all straight from your home screen. And that is all that there is to it. It's a simple, playful way to feel closer to the people you care about the most. Be sure to like and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which widgets are your favorites. #Widgetable app, #friendship goals.